In today's fast-paced and dynamic manufacturing environment, ensuring the safety and protection of both employees and equipment is paramount. Impact protection products, such as bollards, barriers, and guards, are designed to absorb and deflect impacts from workplace vehicles. These products help safeguard critical areas and infrastructure within the facility. Effective impact protection starts with identifying high-risk areas where collisions are most likely to occur, such as near heavy machinery, loading docks, and pedestrian walkways.